Ah, young Steve, so full of dreams, yet his heart aches, or so it seems, for Sarah, the scholar, so wise and bright, seems out of reach like a star in the night. Poor Steve, too shy to even start. What can he offer but his tender heart? But Steve, don't let despair take hold, for I, the narrator, bring news of gold. Blainy, my boy, is here to aid. In writing papers, you won't be afraid. Autocomplete, citations, and more. Blainy will help your grades to soar. Look at you, Steve. See how you shine. Your paper's perfect, each word a line. Sarah will be impressed. Just wait and see. Blainy's magic works wonderfully. Ah, young love, what a beautiful sight. Steve and Sarah, hearts alight. With Blainy's help, you've won her heart. Impressing her brain was just the start. So, if you're a dumb shit like Steve, don't fear. Blainy is here to bring you cheer. But if you're a smart ass like Sarah, guess what? She uses Blainy too, but fairly a lot.